Hey everyone, sending bulk SMS from Salesforce using list view is now easy with message link application. Let me take you to the product demo as well. So in this demo, I'm going to show you how you can send bulk SMS using list view. So you can simply hit here, bulk SMS list view. Then after that, select an object, which is I'm taking contact. Yeah, so I'm taking contact. So one of the list view I created is this week contact. And then select a phone ID. I'm just taking mobile phone and hitting the search record. So once this is done, you can see all the records, which are 4 records. So I've selected all the records. Now I'm hitting the send SMS. So now I'm typing the body of the SMS. We are running Black Friday sale, get 10% discount. And you can create your own body as per your business need. So you just clicking on send SMS. So once this is done, so bulk SMS sent successfully to 4 record. And if I have to see which SMS I have sent to in these contacts, so I'll open one of the Jonathan Gibbs contact from here. So I'll just open Jonathan Gibbs. Yeah, so as you can see, we are running Black Friday sale, get 10% discount. So in the Jonathan contact as well, I can see in this chat component the bulk SMS. So I hope you like the demo. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions for me, feel free to reach out. Thank you so much.